I've been talking to a lot of women the last few weeks about the cost of living crisis that seems to be going on around us. And we have come up with these 10 frugal living things that women do to save just a little bit of money. Women everywhere are looking for ways to combat the rising cost of everything around us. So if you have anything you would like to share, I'd love to hear it in the comments. Hi everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. If you don't know me, I am the owner of FrozenPennies.com. I'm a financial coach, and as a family, we are debt-free. Frugal women prioritize value and longevity when it comes to purchasing decisions. So here's how we're spending our money. Number one, quality clothing. This may not mean spending full price for something, although it could. However, it does mean investing in good quality that's going to be classic and last us forever. I just saw somebody on a Facebook group talking about Lands' End coats. They were, or they may still be, on sale right now for 50% off. This is an excellent time to get a coat that's guaranteed and will last you probably the rest of your life. Even though it's 50% off, it may cost you a little bit more than, say, a clearance coat at Walmart. However, it's durable and will probably last a lot longer than that clearance coat from Walmart. Number two, energy efficient appliances. Now, yes, I'm talking maybe the refrigerator is energy efficient, but I'm also talking about those smaller appliances. It might be cheaper for someone, especially a one serving or a smaller family or even a single person, to use a small electric toaster oven to cook something in instead of turning on the big gas powered oven. If you're only warming up or cooking in an individual size lasagna that you batched, cooked, and froze, a small Cuisinart oven might do the trick. Let's also talk about things like crock pots and Instapots. I love my Instant Pot. I make so many things, and I also have, instead of buying an entire air fryer, because I don't have space for an air fryer in my kitchen, I bought the topper, the air fryer topper for the Instant Pot, which is brilliant. I mean, this is the best choice I've ever made in any kind of appliance for my kitchen. It saves space for me and also allows me to air fry a steak. Have you ever air fried a steak? It's amazing as long as you get that steak on sale. And tater tots? Oh, tater tots in the air fryer. Delish. Number three, investing in reusable products. Now, I love this because I'm a wannabe environmental enthusiast. I want to save the world. Just a little part of me every day wants to do something good for the world environmentally. So my ideas were to not use zipper bags or plastic wrap or aluminum foil, for example, or plastic containers. Those really have no place in my home. So I invested in a large quantity of different sizes of mason jars, and I invested in reusable zipper bags. I have two different kinds. I invested in meal portioning glass containers. My son has special needs and goes to a program where they will warm up something wonderfully warm and hot for him. It's a real time saver and a real money saver all around. I don't have to buy, say, individual soups to send with him. I can make a big pot of soup and individualize and freeze it in these containers. I also have this really fantastic silicone big ice cube tray type thing that you can put individual serving sizes in. Each holds 1 cup portions, and freeze it. Then you just run the hot water underneath it, silicone, pops right out, and you can put them in individual serving size dishes. I am all for cook once, eat that food for as long as possible. So these reusable products help me to save money and to stretch those meal planning days and meal cooking days as long as I possibly can. Number four is so important for many of us who are over 50. High quality footwear. I was wearing slippers for the longest time, and I found that the regular slippers really break down and kill my back. If I'm wearing slippers all day long, to just walking around my house and doing my normal daily routines, my back is so sore by the end of it. So this is what I wear as slippers, Crocs. If doctors and nurses can wear these all day long, running around hospitals and taking care of patients all day long without backaches, then they've got to be great for somebody like me. They're a little bit pricier than slippers. I mean, I think they're about $30 for a pair of Crocs, but they'll last you years and they'll save your back. Same thing goes with sneakers. I find that when I wear sneakers running around doing my shopping, my back doesn't hurt. So investing in good quality sneakers, 3 or 4 pairs that'll last 5-10 years even, makes a difference in my health. Number 5, tools and equipment. Now this goes far beyond tools for DIY repair. You can also consider the tools and equipment that you use every single day to do your job. Whether it be that Instant Pot as a woman who has to cook dinner for people every single night, or you own a small online business and need a good quality computer. Or if you're doing YouTube and need a decent quality camera or phone and good lighting. Would purchasing a knockoff Instapot that's going to break in 3 months, which happened to me, be worth the money? For me, it was not. It lasted 3 months. I spent too much money on it. I said, I'm not doing that anymore. And I invested in the Instapot that I have right now that has lasted me 5, 6, 7, 8 years. I think it's one of the first Instapots. Number 6, buying in bulk. Frugal women understand what products we buy in bulk and what products are not worth the money. In my life, for example, I shop at BJ's. We do not have a Costco near me, so we shop at BJ's. Buying bulk pasta from BJ's is not worth the money. I can get it so much cheaper at Aldi rather than BJ's. I understand this. I know the things to buy in bulk, and I know the things to stay away from and head to Aldi or Walmart to do that instead. We also know to buy the stuff in bulk that we or our family normally eats. If nobody in our house likes white rice, well then I'm not going to buy white rice in bulk. It's just going to go to waste. Number 7, investments in education. This could mean anything from books to college courses to YouTube videos. We understand that we don't know everything, and there is always something that somebody else might know that could benefit us. We can consume this very inexpensively, or we can choose to invest our money in something that's going to have a good return on investment for our life. Speaking of investments in education, here's something for you. It's free. This is my free downloadable printable budget planner. I'm going to leave a link below in the description so you guys can pick this up and get going on your budget. 2024 is right around the corner, and there's no better time to start your budget than then. Number 8, investing in health and wellness. We as frugal women know that it's important to invest what we can in our health and wellness. This could mean buying the most nutritional foods that our budget can afford, or paying a private coach who's an expert on exercise and weightlifting. Prioritizing our health now as a preventative measure for the future will save us money in the long run. Number 9, this is absolutely me, investing in quality furniture. I cannot tell you how tired I am of buying furniture that's just crummy. That's it. It's crummy. It lasts a couple of years and it peels or falls apart, or the stitching goes, or the motors go. I am so tired of things that fall apart after use. It is 100% worth it to me to buy quality pieces of furniture that I don't have to replace in 5 years. I have found that for me, it's worth it to invest in older pieces of furniture, knowing that they're made better with real wood and aren't going to fall apart. And lastly, experiences. There is nothing better, in my opinion, than taking a trip with family rather than spending thousands of dollars on Christmas. Why not offer an experience instead? I love experiences and I have been bitten by the travel bug. All I want to do is travel to new and exciting places. My husband's a homebody, so it's kind of been a bit of a trade-off for us. But experiences seem so much better to me than purchases. I would rather get together with girlfriends for the Christmas season and have a couple of drinks or a nice dinner than exchange gifts that we probably don't even need anyway. So what do you think? Do you do all these things already? What do you think about some of these? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Are you a frugal expert according to these 10 tips? Do you have other things that you think I missed off of this list that is a must for frugal women around the world? Please share in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I truly appreciate you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.